Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Cartegena, Spain, and I just got a haircut, and so that worked out really well. So a haircut in Spain, but I'm at the Carrefour Market. Let's go inside and see what prices cost for food. Let's do it. So the haircut costs 15 euros, so that's not too bad. Cheaper than America. Let's go look. You know, I don't want to ever get caught, and have them yell at me about doing filming, so I try to be cool and low-key here. So let's see. Oh, here's olive oil, $5.95, and here is garbanzo beans, $2.45. Corn is $1.58. Let's see. Box of cereal, $4.05. And then pasta, cheap, 85 cents for pasta, which is nice. $2.09 for the big box. And then $1.35 for that one. And let's see, what else? $2.09. Do we have rice down here too? I don't see rice. Oh, here's rice. $2.75 for a bag. That's not bad. Here's $1.25 for a bag. What's the difference? Oh, maybe this is brown rice and this is white rice. That's cheap for white rice. $1.25. Here's other rice. $1.15. Orezzo. I don't know the difference, but okay. And then what is this? That looks, maybe that's rice too. I don't know. Let's see. What do they got over on this side? So sardines, it looks like $1.55. Artichokes, it looks like $2.15. Artichokes in a can, $1.50. That's cheap. Peas are 63 cents. Oh, sorry. So here's top ramen, it looks like, and I can't tell how much those are. 99 cents for those. Tortillas, 6 tortillas, and they're $2.49 for 6. Here's jalapenos. Why do jalapenos always cost so much? $3.79 for jalapenos, $3.25 for their brand. Salsa's $1.25. Fajita wrappers are $3.39. Gosh, what else? It looks like they have little heat up dishes, $2.35. Wieners in a thing is $2.39. Oh, and there's my favorite, soy sauce, $5.05 for soy sauce. Gosh, what else? Let's go around the corner here. Let's see what else they got. Chips. Olives, 89 or 99 cents if you have them in a can. The jar's $1.77, $2.29. Popcorn, it looks like, is $1.59. If you get it microwavable, it's $1.45. Pringles, $2.19. That's not bad. $2.19. I love these little potato sticks. They're really good, but there's no price. Bacos, I don't know what that is, but do they have? Oh, here's Doritos. Doritos, $1.95 for chili, $1.95 for Tex-Mex, and then Cheetos, which I love too, are $1.79. Tortilla chips, $1.99. Fritos, that's cool. I haven't seen Fritos in a long time. $1.79. That's pretty cheap. Ah, here we go. Mustard, yellow mustard, $2.19. Tabasco, $3.35. Ketchup, $3.35. Their ketchup's 99 cents. Mayonnaise, here we go. Real mayonnaise is $3.29. That's not too bad. Tomato sauce or paste or whatever, $2.45, $2.09. Ruffles, here we go. Lay's, $1.95 for Lay's. That's not bad. Oh, and these are on sale. Tex-Mex, and that looks like $1.45. How about cereal? Corn Flakes, $2.45. Cruislix, not Muslix, but Cruislix, which is chocolate Muslix. I don't have any idea. All brand, $3.49. crunchy chocolate stuff. I don't know. Frosted Flakes, $3.75. Kellogg's Sugar Smacks, $3.65. That ain't bad either. Let's see what else. Here's the olive oil, and it's a little more expensive on this side. $5.45, $4.75, $4.66, $6.99. And then regular oil, it looks like for that big huge monster thing, is $7.99. And marshmallows, and this is milk. Cool. How about meat? So ham, it looks like it's $1 for that. $1.89. $2.10. That's chicken right there. That's $2.10 pollo. That's $3.20. Here's $1 for that. Salami, $2. How about a pizza? $2.45. $2.45. $2.99. Cool. And pasta, pre-made pasta, $3.99, $3.45. Let's see what else. So there's pork chops, $1.99. Hamburgers, I don't know, maybe this is the for sale area because they all look like they're pretty for sale-ish. Meaning they're on sale because they're close to the date. Here's cheeses, $2.20, $2.15. So really not bad. Do they have butter? Looks fine, my favorite. There's cheeses, more cheeses. Look around at those cheeses. Where's butter? There's cold milk, 99 cents, and whipped cream, $1.49, which isn't bad. Yogurt, $2.59, $1.39, $2.35, $1.75, $1.16. Not bad at all. Oh, here we go, beer. 70 cents for a can of Heineken, 69 cents for a can of San Miguel. I'll just let you peruse these real quick. Desperado's $1.80. So not bad, okay. And then wine, $4.60, $5.95, $8.51. You can see for yourself. I mean, there's a bottle for $3.95, which isn't bad. $2.25. Cool. Not bad, not bad. Frozen peas, because I like peas. $2.95. Broccoli, $1.52. Potatoes, 99 cents. That ain't bad either. Let's see what else. Frozen pizza, $4.15, $3.95, $3.79. Ice cream, $2.49, $2.49. Haagen-Dazs, $7.05. Yike paws. Magnums, not condoms, but ice cream, $3.99, $3.99. Toilet paper looks like $2.99, $2.69, $5.35, $5.65. Charcoal is $3.29. I haven't seen that very often. Anyway, you get the idea, don't you? Okay, everybody. Hey, thanks so much for coming along and shopping with me. What do they have it for? Just for kicks and giggles, for like dish soap. Okay, so that's $3.69. Oh, here we go, 99 cents. Yeah, that's not bad. $3.49, $3.45. Very cool. Trash bags, $1.69, $2.45 depending on the size. And for laundry, $6.65, $10.95. Very cool. That's it, everybody. Bye-bye.